Hi, my name is Christoph Dornemann. I'm the head bartender at French 75 Bar at Arnaud's. We're in the historic French Quarter. Yeah, I'm here to make you a cocktail. So today I'm going to make one of our cocktails that we do for the summer. It's been on our menu a few times. It's called the Chiang Mai Colada. It was a drink that I actually made in Thailand. I was there for a few months and they asked me, hey, you're a bartender, make us something special. And I went to the markets and I picked up what I could find and I pieced together what I thought would taste good for them and sort of my memories of being in Thailand, what all those flavors that I find work together and what really make me miss Thailand. It's sort of like a painkiller pina colada riff with some key ingredients that are inspired by Thai cuisine and culture. So what makes the Chiang Mai Colada a Chiang Mai Colada? We take agricole and cachaça rums, which are not traditional to Thailand, but they have a lot of funky floral elements to them, and we infuse it with makrut lime leaves and coriander. That adds these extra layers that the rum doesn't have, that if anybody's ever been to Thailand, you taste that makrut lime, you taste that coriander, it just brings you right back to those Thai flavors. So we're gonna do 1.5 ounces of that. And then we have this house-made mix, which is our colada mix. It's house-made coconut cream with honey, passion fruit, and Thai chilies. Chiang Mai is known for a lot of things, one being their production of honey, organic honey, and some of the best honey in the world comes from Chiang Mai. Obviously, passion fruit is sort of a tropical ingredient that we can't get in America. I mean, we can, but they don't grow naturally, whereas there's just sacks of it growing everywhere. And coconuts are a huge part of the culture there. So we make a house coconut cream. We're taking the honey, we're taking the Thai chilies, of course, which are prominent in everything. Everything is very, very, very spicy there. And we're blending it all together. So you're getting this creamy, kind of sweet honey, tart, refreshing, and a little bit spicy colada mix. And we're doing 1.5 ounces of that. Really lining up closer to what a painkiller is or something like that. The orange, the passion fruit, all that mixed together. We just did 1/2 ounce of that. And then just 1/4 ounce of lime juice just to balance it out, keep it a little tart. Also because another staple of Thai cuisine is that lime, that kind of lime juice, fresh lime juice splashed over or as a part of every dish. Curries, grilled fish, anything, there's always fresh lime juice. So that just balances it out, brings it a little more tart in the end, less sweet. So the cocktail's ready. We're just gonna do a short shake. I'm gonna get my glass ready with crushed ice. So we're using crushed ice because sometimes when you have sweeter elements like the honey and the passion fruit syrup and the coconut cream, if you're not doing crushed ice, it can be very aggressive. It can seem too sweet. But when you have crushed ice, it's diluting everything a little bit, it's making things a lot colder, and it's muting certain flavors while also accenting other flavors. So the makrut lime leaf will actually come through more, the Thai chili will come through more with the crushed ice, whereas the sugary aspects of the syrups and the honey will be muted a little bit, so it's a little more balanced. You don't need to shake it too much. As I said, there's a lot of dilution with the crushed ice, so here we go. So yeah, this drink, it was sort of my way of sharing my experience and my skills with the people that I met in Thailand. And it was something that they were not familiar with. Chiang Mai is not known for a cocktail culture. I mean, they have a lot of great bars, but they're used to drinking. They actually make a lot of rum in Thailand, so they're used to rum, but I wanted to take these creamy, sweet, spicy, tart, herbal elements from the cuisine and the markets that I just found everywhere in my experience there and combine it with what we think of are like classic cocktail styles, such as like a pina colada or a painkiller. And it makes sense for a Thai drink to be tropical, whereas it's not from the Caribbean, but the cuisines and the flavors actually share a lot in common. So we do a fresh mint. A lot of nice fresh herbs are part of the cuisine as well. So a nice top of fresh mint. We do a hibiscus infused lime that we dehydrate, and then that makes just like this beautiful bright pink color. Of course, a Thai chili, and then for a little more aromatic, we do fresh grated nutmeg on top. And then just because we really like our Luxardo cherries, and I think I like the color contrast, a Luxardo cherry. Top it. Cheers.